Hey there, welcome to Tech Update. This is a demo video of a Canva application. Canva is an image editing software which you can use for creating promotional materials, flyers, brochures, YouTube thumbnails, or advertising related stuff. All kinds of promotional materials on web. You can do that on Canva. Canva is basically available on all platforms like Windows, Mac, or web version, or iOS or Android application. And today I'm going to show you Canva Android app tour, and I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using Canva application. So before actually getting into the demo video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. So you need to install this Canva on Android Play Store and as well as iOS. So hit the open button. Usually you will be taken to a home screen where you need to sign up or log in to Canva. So there are different categories available here for Instagram post, video, Instagram story, posters, business cards, or a resume, or the Facebook cover. You can click on see all and you have all these different templates available for various purposes, whether it's for media, promotional material, or social media, or for promoting anything on online. So right now I'm gonna show you how to create beautiful video thumbnails, thumbnails for your YouTube channel. So you need to click on plus. There are different templates available for Instagram, WhatsApp, Instagram, blog and all. I'm gonna create for YouTube thumbnail and click on plus. So you'll be navigating to a blank page. You can play with the color of click on color. You can change the color, but I'm gonna stick to white itself. Okay, now if you want to add anything on top of that, you need to click on plus. So you can add text, image, video, sticker, illustration, template and logos. So let's just say plus, and then we add some text. You can select some predefined fonts here or the templates here for text, but I'm gonna straightforward type something here, create. So I'm gonna click on this thing. I'm gonna bold it. I'm gonna change the text color, and I'm just gonna expand it. I can go and select another font style here. I think it's premium. Okay, now I want to add a background to this thing. For that you need to click on plus, go to illustration, shape. I'm gonna take a shape here. So I want this to go back behind the text, so I'm gonna click on three dots and click on go down layer. So now you can see there is this layer for this text. I can select some color for this. Here I can select this one. I'm gonna select the text color to white. You can add some stickers or illustration here. Now if you want to add any image here, you can do so by clicking on image. I am adding this Canva logo here. And I'm dragging this here, and this layer also I'm dragging a little bit down. You can increase a font size. I didn't like this font anyway. I want to go for something professional. Let's go with Open Sans. You can do that. let us see some illustrations available or stickers available here. Let's go to illustration. So that's it. You have added an image, text and a background to test, and then a sticker to it. And there are different templates also available that you can use freely, but for now I'm gonna download this thing. I think it has been saved as an mp3. I'm gonna remove this thing. Now I can see download option here. Preparing your design, and it has been downloaded right now. I can go and check it in my gallery. So now this you can use as your YouTube thumbnail. Let's go back and see the templates available. Automatically your work will be saved to your Canva account, and you can see that under your designs. So you can see all my previous things I've designed on Canva for my YouTube channel. You can also create stunning collages like this. See, I have created this thumbnail for my YouTube video and this for another YouTube video. You can create your own custom images for even for marketing purposes. So that is how you can use Canva, and I'll show you how to use the custom or the predefined templates. I'm going for YouTube thumbnail, clicking on place and go, and I'm going to template, and these are the templates available. And if you want to use this template, click on it, modify the text here. You can change the image here. So that is how you can use existing templates, and you can replace the contents of the template like the text or the colors or the background images. You can change that. I'm changing it for something more convenient for my blog. So that is a quick demo of a Canva Android application for creating stunning thumbnails for your YouTube channel, and for creating various other images for various purposes for marketing or social media platforms, or video publishing platforms. I hope this video helped you in creating thumbnails or images for your work, and if you enjoyed watching my video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks.